How to sign up for an OANDA account. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, tap on the Create Account button, then a browser will open to begin the process. Here you will need to choose between a live trading account or a demo trading account depending on your preference. A live account allows you to trade with real money in the financial markets, while a demo account lets you practice trading with partial funds, perfect for beginners or testing strategies. In this example, I am choosing demo trading account. Then tap on confirm and continue. Next, select your country of residence and tap confirm and continue again. Now you will be asked to enter your details such as your full name, email address and a new password. After filling in the details, hit confirm and continue. After that, a confirmation message will appear stating, "Thank you for your demo application and signing up." Then tap on Open TradingView Web to start exploring your new OANDA trading account. Now you know how to sign up for an OANDA account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.